Welcome to this channel. My name is Joey. On this channel, I teach on how you can make money online, either on a full-time basis or as a side hustle. So today, we'll be talking on 6 affiliate marketing programs you can start right now in Nigeria and start earning immediately. 6 affiliate marketing programs. Let's get into the business of the day. Affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product, either physical product or digital, so that when you make a sales, you get a commission. Now, why am I making this video? Nigerians for some time have had issues with affiliate marketing, registering with affiliate marketing companies or registering for affiliate marketing programs. So many international companies are not allowing Nigerians to register, and those that allow Nigerians to register have problem with payments. Nigerians have, we know the issue presently in Nigeria, cannot receive or make some payments internationally. So right now there are companies in Nigeria offering affiliate program. But let me say this, almost every company right now in the world is offering affiliate program. But I'm going to give you 6 affiliate programs you can join in Nigeria, start promoting products, and you start making money immediately. I'm going to give you 3 digital products, 3 affiliate programs for digital products, and 3 affiliate programs for physical products. So we're talking about 6 affiliate programs. You can choose any of them and start immediately, start promoting. And the good thing about it is that you have tutorial on how to do this affiliate marketing, how to go about it. I think the digital products, the companies for digital products have courses on how you can successfully do your affiliate marketing and make money from it. So for you to start, you need a coach, you need a mentor, you need a course. So you go into those affiliate marketing sites and get a course on how you can successfully promote your any link you pick up or any product you want to sell and start making money. The first one is Expertnaire. Expertnaire is presently on my screen. Expertnaire is Expertnaire is one of the biggest affiliate sites in Nigeria presently. They have so many people promoting products on Expertnaire. I was reading an article 2 weeks ago, and it says Expertnaire paid 1 billion naira last year to its affiliates. Huge money. That means the business is really booming. So I want you to think about it. Go to Expertnaire, register. The thing with Expertnaire is that they charge you 10,000 naira every year, 10,000 naira per annum to register, and you renew. It's renewable every year. So you pay 10,000 naira, you register with them, you log in, and you start promoting products. So for example, when you want to do, you sign up with them. I'm already signed in, so it's not going to show. But the thing is, you sign up. When you sign up, your dashboard looks like this. So you go to the marketplace, you get to product marketplace, and you see the products. So many products available for sale. You see WhatsApp status, TV money pod, simple Amazon KDP for smartphones. There are so many products they have displayed. So anyone you select, you promote those products and extending your commission. If you sell this product costs 8,000 naira, you get 50%. That means they're going to pay you 4,000 naira. This is huge. 4,000 naira. That's what I said in my last video. Affiliate marketing for digital products, they pay higher than physical products. So you can think of doing for digital products. So you see the vendor, the name of the owner of the course, and the product. So you just pick the product you want to promote. As you promote, you make money. Some of them 50, most of them here is 50%. You get 50% of the total amount. This is 55, this is 60%. So if you sell the ultimate Amazon KDP course and its alternative for all devices, if you sell for 20,000 naira, you're making 60% of the 60% for your commission. This is huge, 60% for your commission. So this is the link. You click on this. This is the link you're going to share to people, and as they make sales, you get your commission paid to you. You get your commission paid to you. The second one is affiliate. The second one is Stake Cuts. Stake Cuts is an amazing platform. The good thing about Stake Cut is that you can market to other countries, not only Nigeria. You can market and make your sales in other countries and get paid. It's just the same thing like Expatnia, but the difference is that Expatnia is just for Nigeria alone, but for Stake Cut, you can sell to other countries. So like this is the marketplace too. For you to register, you go to stakecut.com. This is you see almost similar products. See the amounts, the commission 50%. Each product is in dollar because you market to other countries, not only Nigeria. So you see, you pick out a product here, you promote, you click on promote. It gives you everything, gives you your link. This is your affiliate link. You copy it, you use it to promote the product, and you get paid the commission. The third one is Daba. Daba is a platform by Chris Ani. It's an online e-learning platform where you learn where you learn different things. So like this is trade and make money. I bought this course, so that's why it's showing me my active courses. Trade and make money by Chris Ani. There are several courses by Chris Ani. So if you want to promote this, if you want to promote any course here, you just go to the shop. There are so many courses here. You just click on them and buy. Then there are so many courses here, even on how to bake cake and decoration, drone piloting, YouTube monetization, making free money on freelancing and all that. You promote their course and you make money. So to get your link, you look at this. This is my dashboard. Sorry, I saw my link now. This is my dashboard. So you click on this. This is your unique link. So anyone that buys any product on Daba School with this link, you make money from that person. Is this not amazing? You're not the owner of the course. You didn't produce anything, but if people buy, you make 50% to almost 30% of what the real amount is. Now, Daba is giving 10% for sign-ups. So if you want to sign up on Daba, you get 10% plus other indirect commission. 10% for other indirect commissions. So guys, think about it. Affiliate marketing is the way to go. So let's talk about the physical product. Physical product is physical product, just like the name is. If you sell physical products by someone else, you get a commission for it. So I'm going to give example. The sites we have is for e-commerce marketplaces in Nigeria. The first one is Jumia. So you go to Google, you type Jumia affiliate program, it will come out with so many things. So the first thing, you pick this one here, Jumia affiliate program. You click on it. It opens up. If you want to say, it says join now. You click on it, you register, and bam, you're an affiliate. When you promote any product on Jumia, each product have their link. So when you promote any product on Jumia, Jumia gives you a commission. The second one for physical product is Payport. So you type in, you Google Payport affiliate program. This is it. This one, you click on this, and we are here, Payport affiliate program. This is it. Become an affiliate. You click here, register and order. Make your own researches. They sell clothes, tops, dress, everything. They sell accessories and the rest. Each one, anyone you sell, you get a certain commission for selling it. The third one is Konga. I'm sure you all know Konga. Konga store. This is the affiliate program. You click on it and it gives you details, everything. So this is your affiliate login. If you want to join, you click here to join, and that is as simple as it is. Very easy. And when you promote this, links, you promote this product or promote either physical or digital, you keep earning your money steady, especially when you automate your process. Hope you got value. If you're not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and subscribe today. Like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on our tips and juicy details. See you next time. Bye.